This was not a joke, as the judge has actually blocked the executive order that Trump signed, if you will, targeting Perkins Coie, the law firm. A federal judge has permanently blocked the president's executive order that targeted the law firm Perkins Coie, ruling it unconstitutional and an abuse of presidential power. U.S. District Judge Beryl Howell issued a 102-page opinion stating that the executive order violated the First, Fifth, and Sixth Amendments, three of them right there, which kind of gets you in the place where you are. The order had aimed to revoke security clearances, terminate federal contracts, and restrict access to federal buildings for Perkins Coie, their employees, and all work for them, citing past representation of the firm of clients who were opposed to Trump's administration. Basically, anybody who sued Trump and working against him that they worked for made them non gratis to the entire government. Judge Howell described the order as a retaliation and viewpoint discrimination, something that Donald Trump has been saying a lot is an issue, and when it's being pushed towards him, trying to fight back, emphasizing that it penalized the firm for its legal representation of disfavored clients, including work done for Hillary Clinton's 2016 campaign. So the legal community is actually, cheering for this one because it's the first case that's really has some sort of teeth against it. And for Perkins Coie, who actually is fighting as opposed to laying over and just giving up against anything for Trump, asserting that the executive order was unlawful, and in the meantime saying it was just bad faith for everyone and all Americans could not really get anything out of it if Donald Trump and the administration was saying, no, you can't come into these federal buildings and represent anybody because you represent somebody against one guy. That is not good. And the courts doing their job are agreeing with what should be more or less the common sense. The reality is, it doesn't matter how good, how bad, how evil you think a law firm is. They have the right to defend or go against anyone they choose to. Basically, if someone has the money to pay for them, they should do that. If they do pro bono work and they decide they're going to take this one on their own, they should do that. They should have the chance to do that. You should not bar them from stepping into the building because they said something mean about you in the past. That's something that sort of stands on principle with the Trump administration.